how to copy and paste URL of your website. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let's copy the URL of website. So first of all, launch any browser that you have on your device, and here I'm going for Google Chrome, and here you can simply search for any of the URL. So I'm going to search for YouTube just as an example, and let me just search for youtube.com. Now if I have to copy the URL, what I can simply do is make a long press on the URL and then tap on copy. So this will copy the link, or rather copy the URL. If you want to paste it, you can now just go back and then you can just share it to anybody or anywhere. So I'm going to use Telegram over here just to show you how you can paste it, and you can now just make a long press and then tap on paste, send it, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.